YouTube!
You're pretty cute.
Oh, back, you know? Well, we're not gonna be like this is a new video. I continue from video from yesterday, you know? So yesterday, what did we do yesterday? We went to Winwood, why for the wood. And then I look up Ralph and then tell them I wake up this morning, I wake up. I watch a popcorn video with this English brother. My brother was starting a top board. Man, them never Ralph and cook and them things and they just gave me a little idea and say, you know what? I should do that with my friends for my birthday. You know? So it's a last minute bro. All of my dogs and my staggle up, touch from my ends later. They're at the supermarket to get some food, you know? Some steamed fish. Curry program, some steamed fish. And some jerk chicken. But yo, you need a full brother even though Thanksgiving done, dog. What you say? Oh, you need a carrot, brother. What you do?
Baby, go and get sorrow too. Make sorrow juice to me.
Sorry, what?
Make me some sorrow juice.
Rastafari, give thanks to the Most High. Thanks to the for. Right out. And I said, no grape. All of them grape are the butter rose dog. Shit. It's pissing me off, man. No green grapes. Shit. Grapes are dirty dog. Thing grape grow up on trees and I look like them grow on the ground with us. God damn folks. Fuck it, we'll get the green bag. Here we go. They're like cranberry juice cocktails. So what? Oh. Nah, I get it, do it.
For music cookings.
Yeah, fool it up. Man, I clean up carbon dog. Trouble.
It's the first time I say chefings. Alright. If you're little, man, you start style with carbon. You know? Gentle.
That's funny fish better than I eat fish dog. Oh, I enjoy
Chicken in the pan, just span the berry, isn't it? You know say you have to make the fish deal with the fish. Yeah. Nice little fish pan fish action.
Vazz Vlogz, you know, we out here, but today we're not out in the street, in the kitchen, I don't know if we're and chef up some, right, there's some jerk chicken and thing over here, so some swim around.
You put ginger in it or not ginger?
No, I'm not on ginger, you know what's going on. Jenna kitchen, man, you don't know, Vazz Vlogz. One team.
It's Prezi.
You just taste the seasoning, dog.
That don't make sense. I told me I free so I want to really hard.
Rolling procedure, you know? Way up on the jerk chicken. Did worm?
Yeah, no general. Big bumbo like Rasta there cook meat, watch him. What kind of Rasta is I'm faster.
Yeah.
Don't know in a YouTube. Loading procedure. We just wait on the jerk chicken, you know? Right now we're kinda limited on the fire. We have to take off some wood chippings beat.
What?
You can improvise, you know? We have to dig off the wood off of yourself. Or the wood chippings off of yourself, brother. And light up what the fire. Hey, the fire spark up back still, you know?
What's that one?
How you do with the watermelon? You pick out the seed, brother? Oh, that Jay Bizzle, you know, introduce yourself to the vlog, and brother, you just forward and go straight to the food table, you know, that. Where you deal with?
Silent Bizzle.
Where the man them tap for? Come on, Justus, do it for the vlog.
Yes, there's the place.
I'm going to go.
Where?
So much cake you have locked down the place, daddy?
Where?
I never know Mr. Bike. Why open this?
What? Strawberry and beer things.
That man show you. Freaky cake, the one go down.
What?
Freaky cake.
Why open this?
Brother.
Well, it's a
Brother is a chef, not a baker.
Bake it.
Okay. Pass.
Baking one.
Yeah, pass.
Young Ross.
Can I read the game, buddy? You know, see,
Young Ross.
Yeah, you pass. You pass.
You don't know, say, much damn you know that.
Pow! Yeah, but I'll tell you for the brother. I'm just saying.
I'm drunk, bro.
But not true, brother.
I feel about
Your weight loss process in the brother. Yeah, weight loss today.
Come on, kids, calm down.
Play.